In this lesson, we will discuss the auto-flight enhancements. The A350 auto-flight system includes a continuous descent approach CDA function. The CDA computes a continuous descent profile and is designed to provide the flight crew with cues to decelerate the aircraft to be at VAP at 1,000 feet AGL in landing configuration. The CDA function builds the descent profile backwards from 50 feet AGL up to the top of descent TOD. The CDA function displays the following pseudo waypoints on the ND, the VD, and the MFD, the deceleration pseudo waypoint, the flap 1 pseudo waypoint, and the flap 2 pseudo waypoint. Note, these pseudo waypoints are advisory. The flight crew remains responsible for the flight path management and for the energy management. The required navigation performance with authorization required RNP-AR function provides the flight crew with cockpit indications and guidance to fly all published RNP-AR procedures, provided that the flight crew have special authorization. The RNP-AR function is basically RNP 0.1 capable. No indication informs the flight crew that the aircraft is RNP 0.1 capable. However, if the default capability is not met because of a failure affecting the RNP-AR capability, the ECAM and/or the ND display dedicated indications. The RNP-AR function automatically activates during the flight of a RNP-AR procedure selected by the flight crew. However, the required navigation precision for RNP-AR procedures can only be met if the guidance is in nav mode with FD or AP on. The what-if function enables the flight crew to assess the capability of the aircraft to reach the diversion airport in the case of a specific type of failure. A what-if event can be an engine out or depressurization that occurs during the crew's flight phase. The flight crew can use this function to simulate an event in a secondary flight plan. The what-if function is not available for the active flight plan. The flight crew can access the what-if page via the section index page by clicking on the what-if button. The fuel penalty is a correction of the fuel flow. The flight crew can define and change the fuel penalty via the aircraft status panel of the data status page. Certain ECAM procedures may direct the flight crew to consult the fuel penalty tables and insert a value into the fuel penalty field. The FMS takes the fuel penalty into account to compute the managed speed Mach profile, the optimum flight level, and the flight plan predictions. In addition to an Econ speed mode based on a cost index, the A350 has long-range cruise LRC speed mode. When the FMS speed mode is LRC, the FMS computes the optimum speed Mach that corresponds to the LRC. In LRC mode, the optimum speed Mach is referred to as the LRC speed Mach.